The past is like a foreign country. They do things differently there. If this David Lowenthal quote from The Go-Between is true, then a Volkswagen Beetle is both a time machine and an international passport. Indeed, the restoration, driving, and even the everyday maintenance of the vintage vehicle can give us a sense of what it was like for our ancestors to move through the world. This is a process fundamentally mediated by technology and as historical as it is experiential. Then sometimes you really just want to be able to roll your window up and down. It rolls down okay. The problem is rolling it back up. One, it's really stiff and hard to roll up. And then this is as high as it gets. When I get to this point, the internal mechanism here just starts spinning. Now I don't know if something's broken in there or it just needs lubrication, but I bought a replacement window regulator from Wurzburg West, so it's here just in case I need it. And I've got a pretty good feeling this is going to get installed. So here's the new window regulator. Here is where the handle is attached, right here. Let's turn it around and you can see how it works. These are the two brackets down here that attach to the piece of metal that holds the window in place so it can raise and lower. So when I turn the lever, those two go up and down. So it's pretty useful to hold this new regulator up in place and to see how it's fastened. When you do so, you can count the bolts. We got two right here that go around this plate that attach to the knob and hold it in place. There's one right here that fastens to this plate. Got one down here at the bottom and got one way up here at the top in the far right. And if my YouTube research is correct, I'm gonna have to take out this bolt right here that's holding the vent window in place. I'm gonna use the air ratchet to take all these bolts off. They all appear to be 10 millimeter. All right, the last bit of this is that this vent window needs to get partially pulled out. And there should be a little mounting bracket and screw right here under this. Here it is right here. We ought to be able to just push this handle knob in, pull this out, and the whole mechanism should slide out. Does in fact seem to be happening. Okay, it's another day. And things have progressed to an overalls level of seriousness. I have had some trouble getting the window glass back into place. I've tried various strategies and thus far none of them have paid off. I'm back to trying to get the glass into place first. So that happens pretty smoothly. That seems right. I think that this is going to work. Now the trick is getting the regulator in place and then getting it attached. Now I'm going to try to bolt it onto the window here and get everything into place. I really hope this works. Pull this back up a little bit. That may have done it. I really hope so. Let's put a few bolts in here and find out. I think we're finally at the test stage. Let's give it a try. All right, let's see if it comes back down. Okay, that appears to have worked. The biggest reason that I'm happy is that I don't have to do this again.